W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to draw a unicorn with a rainbow trail behind it. Wow, I wonder what the color is going to look like. Well, if you want to see the color, you have to go all the way to the end to see what color choices I made. Well, let's get started drawing. What do we need to create this? We only need 4 basic lines and shapes to make this. An arc, an oval, a U, and a line. Well, let's get started and see how all of this fits together. Let's see, we're gonna start right here and we'll just put a little arc there. And then we're gonna do a reverse arc like this. Okay, and if you have a little spot where it looks like it's not smooth, you can just go over that again if you want. That's fine. Either way. And then I'm gonna add another arc right below that. It just goes up like that. Okay? So now we're going to add in that U shape. It's going to be an upside down U. And I'll go right here. And then we're going to add another one around it. And that will be the ear. Then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to have an upside down U. And then another upside down U inside there. So now we've got 2 ears. Next, we're going to add, well, no, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait, okay? We're not gonna put the special unicorn horn there yet. We're gonna wait. We'll just add in a little line here, and then we're gonna add an arc. And then we'll have another line come down. And if you need to pause this video at any time to catch up, feel free to pause it, and then when you caught up, join back in. Now we're going to make another arc that's going to go from here, and it's going to go all the way up like this, and that'll be the mouth, the top of the mouth there. Now we'll make another arc here, and then another one here with a line across, and this is going to be the open mouth area. We'll even add an arc here to show like a little tongue. Okay, next we'll add another arc here, and then we're going to reverse an arc and have it come down here, going to one of the legs, like this. Look at that. Okay, now let's add in 2 ovals. 1, 2, and then color those in. And then we're going to add 2 arcs for the eyes. The eyes will be closed, just like that. 1, very small arc, and then 2. Okay, now if you want, you can color this in, this mouth part. I'm going to leave it open because I'm going to make a different color choice than using black right there, or maybe I'll use black, but I'll wait till later to decide that. Okay? And if you want to see my color choices, you'll have to watch all the way to the end, and I'll show you what my color choices are. And if you want, you can follow along with those, or you can make your own color choices. So now we're going to add another arc here, and then a reverse arc up like that. I'm drawing the rest of the mane. So now we'll do another arc here, and then another arc here. Now let's see, we'll do the back going this way. So this is an arc that goes up, little unicorn butt. And then we will have, let's see, this is another arc that comes this way. And then we're going to reverse that arc again for the back leg. Okay, then we're going to close that bottom part with the hoof will be here. And then we're going to come up with another arc. So this is going to go up here and extend up. And the belly is going to be underneath here. And an arc will come down here. So many arcs in your drawings, Mr. Mike. That's what makes them so simple. When you break down a really complex drawing like this and break it down into one step at a time with arcs, you can see how important arcs are in all the things that we draw, arcs and lines. So now we're going to add in 2 more arcs, one here, and then another here. And we'll close this off with another arc for a hoof. And then we'll add in the tail. So let's make another arc going back this way. Just like that. And then another one going here. And then we can close this off with, you can either do a line or an arc. I'm just going to use a little curve arc there. Close that off. Now, you see we have a problem. I see a problem that I have, and I need to figure out how to fix it. So earlier in the drawing, I wanted this to be the front leg. And I suppose I could still do that, but I want all of these legs to follow the same kind of shape. So this one looks like it's going further in. So what I can do, let's see. I think what I can do is first I'm going to draw the back leg that's on the other side of this unicorn. So first I'm going to do that. I'm going to add an arc, and then another arc, and then close it off with an arc. And then I'm going to draw the hooves. I'm going to add just a little arc here, here, and here. Now that I have a better idea of what this looks like, let's see. Maybe what we can do is we can add in, so I'm going to continue this line to go here. So watch this. I'll continue here. Make it look like it's attached to the belly, right? That's what we'll do. And then we're going to add in another arc here, and then here, and then close it off with an arc to make that other leg. And now the drawing is fixed. So that all of them are curved the same way. The other way I had it, it would have been curved in here. I didn't want that, so I fixed the drawing. I make mistakes all the time, and it's just trying to take a look at the whole drawing and figure out what the best decision is to fix it. So now we've got this kind of horsey looking character, but we need to put on the unicorn horn, which goes right up here. Best for last. Here we go. We'll make a line up all the way to here, and then a line back down, and now we've got a unicorn horn. And I'm going to trace a thick black outline around all this, and then we'll add in the trail of rainbow right behind the unicorn. And then we can just, all you have to do the outline is to just trace all outside the line all the way around your drawing. You don't have to do this. Sometimes I like to do it, sometimes I don't. I've been doing it a lot lately. I think it just finishes the drawing nicely. See, my marker's starting to dry out. I am just using the side of my marker. If you have a marker like this, you can use the edge, just like there's the side of it. You just tilt it a little bit. Or you can push down harder on your marker, and you can usually get a thicker line that way. Okay, now we have to add in the rainbow part. Okay, so I'm going to turn my paper this way. Okay, and I'm just going to make some arcs. Now, how many colors are in the rainbow? Okay, we know it's Roy G. Biv to make a rainbow color. So it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. That's 7 stripes we need. Okay, so we need to have 7 stripes. So we're going to start with an arc here, and I'm going to have it go on wherever the outside part is of the unicorn. That's where the trail is going to be. So we'll start here and make an arc. So that's 1 stripe there. Okay, so it's 1 stripe. There's 2 stripes. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 2 more. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I can have all the colors of the rainbow on my rainbow trail. And now we have our finished unicorn. Look at our unicorn, everybody. Great job following along. Now what color choices are you going to make to color in your unicorn? Now if you watch till the end, you can see what color choices I made, but I encourage you to use your imagination and choose your own colors. This could be any color unicorn. You can do anything you want. It's your drawing. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. Now if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time, okay? Bye! For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.